Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at a budget-friendly video carbon fiber tripod from SmallRig. Actually, it is a bundle, tripod plus fluid head. The SmallRig FreeBlazer heavy-duty carbon fiber video tripod kit. The first thing I want to talk about is the price. I have an older video tripod that costs more than this one and it is heavier. This carbon fiber tripod costs only $350 including the fluid head. This is such a great price for beginners and not only. SmallRig are bringing out gear at very competitive prices lately. Good for them. Someone needs to shake things up a bit. The tripod is almost 2 meters tall. Yes, you heard that right. When fully opened, it reaches 197 centimeters. It is taller than me. Folded, it is 99 centimeters and weighs just 5 kilograms including the fluid head. That is very good for such a tripod. We all hate to carry these things around, but this one has a decent weight. If you get only the tripod, that weighs only 3.7 kilograms. One important thing when buying such a tripod is how big the payload is. Using a cinema camera or a rigged up mirrorless camera, you always end up adding more and more gear on them. So you need a sturdy tripod that can handle the weight. Well, I'm glad to say that the SmallRig FreeBlazer can handle 10 kilograms. I didn't put such a heavy load on it, but that is very good for a tripod that costs only $350. Well, this tripod is not only lightweight and can handle heavy setups, but it also packs some nice features. And the first one I like is the quick release of the flat feet. You just press a button and they come off, leaving you with spikes in case you need them for a different terrain. The other one is that you can release all fiber carbon parts from a leg at once with one latch. You just pull this and the leg is released, making this tripod very easy to deploy. The latches are made from plastic, but they feel durable and pretty well built. You have to shake it just a little for the legs to come down, but still it is very fast to deploy. You also have a center spreader in case you want the legs to cover more ground and make the tripod more stable. Speaking about ground, I forgot to show you this when I was speaking about the legs. The tripod can stand on its own when it is folded. You don't see that on many tripods. Another nice feature are these silicone grips at the base of the tripod. They really help when you want to move your setup and tripod around the set or location. Now let's talk about the fluid head, because this too has some cool features that improve handling. And the first one is you can put the handle on the left or the right side of the head. That is very useful if more people operate the same tripod. The next one is still related to the handle. You can easily extend it by turning this gold lock. This makes tilts and pans easier with a bigger setup. You also have a quick release plate, and this head is compatible with DJI plates and Manfrotto. You just have to push these buttons here to select which one you are using. And you also have markings to know which one is which. SmallRig also includes an Allen key that is stored beneath the plate to help you install your gear. Another great thing is you have tension controls for pan and tilt to adjust how much resistance you get when panning or tilting. I just love the fact that you can control the pan tension, and it is so easy. You just have to use this big rubber ring to increase or decrease the tension. And like all other video tripods, you can change the smoothness of the tilt. The ball head can be removed. You just have to unscrew this handle and that is it. The handle can also be used to adjust the level of the head. The fluid head is all made from metal and it seems like it can take a beating. The overall construction is very good and works nice and smoothly. Also, the overall build quality of the tripod is nice, feels sturdy, and I like the fact that you can open one leg with one latch. Almost forgot, the tripod comes with a very nice carrying bag. For the price, this is an unbeatable offer, so if you are in the market for a video tripod, I highly recommend this tripod and fluid head from SmallRig. It is very well built, it has some great features that can satisfy beginners and professionals alike. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and use the links in the description to support the channel. See you next time.